A large part of the quantity surveyor's role is about ensuring projects are delivered on time, within budget, and to the required standard. Good service comes from being proactive, approachable, and practical at every stage of a project, protecting not just their company's interests, but also their clients to help ensure the successful completion of projects. Pre-construction. QS can add real value before the project starts by providing early cost advice, feasibility studies, budget estimates, and benchmarking against similar projects. Updating the cost plan. As the design develops, flagging risks of overspend and suggesting affordable alternatives. Advising on procurement. Recommending the right contract type and route depending on whether the client values speed, price certainty, or flexibility. Preparing clear tender documents and checking bills of quantities to attract competitive, realistic bids from contractors. Communicating clearly. Translating technical cost data into straightforward advice that helps the client make informed decisions. During construction. Once on site, a QS provides good service by controlling costs, delivering regular reports on spent to date, committed costs, and forecasts of the final project cost. Carrying out interim valuations, making sure the client only pays for completed and correctly executed work. Assessing variations, promptly advising on the cost and time impact of any design or scope changes. Keeping clear records, supporting fair decision making and helping to prevent disputes. Maintaining open communication with contractors and consultants to resolve issues quickly and practically. Advising on risks, monitoring contingency allowances and evaluating claims objectively. Post-completion. Even after construction finishes, the QS supports the client by finalising the account, checking and agreeing all costs so there are no unexpected claims. Reviewing project performance, comparing actual costs with the original budget and identifying lessons for future projects. Advising on life cycle costs, highlighting long-term running and maintenance costs, not just the initial capital spend. Providing a good service as a QS is about more than just numbers. It requires listening to the client, being proactive and honest, giving clear practical advice at every stage. By setting realistic budgets, managing costs during construction, and ensuring a fair closeout, a QS helps clients achieve their goals with confidence. Metroun, a commercial hub for your business.